Okay, I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough video with you. So right now we are looking at the home page, and if you have any questions, you can text my Google Voice number, which is right here, or you can message me through Canvas. The quickest way is just to text me through Google Voice or Canvas message, but you can also email me with your school email. You can email me at this email address. Here are my virtual office hours, and these are the times where if you need to schedule a phone call or if you want a face-to-face meeting, we can schedule a Zoom session. These are the times where I will be available for that. Here is the textbook information with your MyLab access code. All this is on the home page. This is a quick, just a welcome video. It's just welcoming you to the class. And then each week I will post assignments, and they'll be found always be found on the home page, and it should match your course calendar. But just be sure to double check this to make sure you're completing your weekly assignments. Here are the proctored exam dates and how the course works, and then you can click start to get started in the class, and that will take you to course modules. Here's the bookshelf. This is where you'll access your e-text. And let's look at modules. The first module will be your online orientation module, but after that you will see the important course information module. These are the things that if you were in a face-to-face class that I would discuss on the first day. You know how your teacher usually hands out or goes over the syllabus and your due dates, gives you your course calendar. This is where all of this can be found. Also, your notification settings. Be sure to set your notification settings. Make sure you're getting my messages pretty quickly or announcements. If I need to send out a quick announcement, I'll usually do that through either Canvas message or through announcements. Let's see. Your course textbook information, a little bit about, here's my office hours again, a little bit about me and my family. And then I always get students to write letters to future students giving you advice on how to be successful in the class. Then your modules are not set up by week, but by chapter. So the first chapter module is here, and usually you'll have a discussion board. Sometimes these discussion boards will have an initial post that's on a Wednesday. So be sure to click on the discussion board and look at when the initial post is due. The first discussion board, though, is a 2-week discussion board. And then you usually have the PowerPoint and my lecture, and then videos. And as you move through the course, you will notice that there are a lot more videos to help you, but you should be able to find a video in just about any concept in this course that I've made. Your homework is usually through my stat lab or my labs. And if you click on this will take you straight to your MyLab homework. So all of your assignments are in your modules. And then, let's see, what else? Office 365 is available. So if you need to, we use Excel. So you will need to have access to Excel. Smarter Proctoring is where you will schedule your proctored exams, and be sure to go ahead and try to plan the day that you want to take your exams. Look at the calendar and go ahead and set that up. And that's pretty much the main course setup. If I left out anything or if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out, and hopefully this will help you get started in this class. Thank you so much for listening, and just let me know if you have any questions.